Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us as we're learning more about the fight to contain the measles across our region.
Even though the numbers seem to have flattened out, doctors say we should not get complacent about how potentially deadly this disease is.
Yeah, doctors have identified fewer than 10 new cases of the measles across Texas over the past few days. Of all the 700 plus cases over the past few months, fewer than 10 of them are still actively infectious.
Hospitals have admitted 93 people for treatment across Texas since late January. It's unclear how many patients are still there or how severe their symptoms were or are. 2 children have died.
Now here's a look at the total number of cases confirmed across our area since late January. The epicenter of the outbreak is still Gaines County, now with more than 400 infections since this spread started. Lubbock has identified more than 50 cases, with some counties showing limited infection over the past 3 months.
State Health Services tracks reports of the signature rash across those counties. Now this map shows the counties where the virus is still actively spreading. They include Lubbock, Cochran, Yoakum, Terry, Gaines, and Dawson counties. Doctors consider these cases actively infectious for 4 days before and 4 days after it first shows up.
Catherine Wells, the director of Lubbock Public Health, says she's cautiously optimistic about the fight going forward.
As we're seeing fewer new cases, we're really able to figure out any new cases in our community, really figuring out who those contacts are and really working with families to stay home during that time that they're infectious or at risk for developing infection. If we can continue to do that and stay on top of things, we will eventually not see measles anymore in this community.
Health experts say the best way to protect our families and our communities is the measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine. They want everyone 6 months of age or older to get one.
And you can get your doses at the Lubbock Public Health Department for free during business hours Monday through Thursday, and it's also available 8 to noon on Fridays. These clinics are at the department's headquarters. That's 50th and Avenue U.